За өнөөдөр ямар бичлэг оруулах вэ гэхээр та бүгдэнд цараа өнөөдөр цэцэрлэг дээр нь аудио өдөр болно. За ингээд цагийг хэрхэн өнгөрөхийг харцгаая.
Baby, look at me.
열번
Tell me what you see.
어떡해?
You've sent the best to me yet. Give me time, I'll make you forget the rest. I got more in me, and you can set free. I can catch the moon in my hand.
오늘 저희는 아이들과 어떻게 놀아주는지에 대해서 조금 교육을 받을 예정인데요.
분위기 첫 번째 분위기는 원장 선생님에 따라서 분위기가
Sorry for party rocking. Party, looking for a hottie to bone. I got a drink in my hand and they just called Buffalo. Popping bottles in a house with models in the VIP. All the girls make out for the whole damn club to see. Let's go. People always say that my music's loud. Sorry for party rocking. Neighbors complain, say turn it down. Sorry for party rocking. Haters don't like we got the spotlight. Sorry for party rocking. When they talk shit, we just be lying. Sorry for party rocking. Baby, I'm awfully crazy. Off Ciroc, off Patron, shit, whatever's tasty. We don't got no manners. Hanging on.
우와, 떨어졌어.
So loud, I'm deaf, bitch. Getting brain at a red light with people watching. Sorry for party rocking. If you show up already toe up, this is what you say. Sorry for party rocking. And if you're blacked out with your sack out, this is what you say. Sorry for party rocking. And if you throw up in your house cup, this is what you say. Sorry for party rocking. And if she has a hissy fit, cause you're whiskey.
잘 제어해야 돼요. 깔끔하게.
여기로 가야지. 여기로 선배라 여기로 또 들어가야지.
Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. And they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out.
이유 가는 거예요. 이렇게.
내 놀이를 하는 거고요. 그 노래에 빠지면 내가 즐거워야 돼요. 오늘 아까 던지고 이렇게 하는 거 봤더니 의무감에서 던진 사람이 없더라고요. 다들 사진 찍어 보면은 웃으면서 막 이렇게 하는 그게 놀이에요. 나도 놀고 나니까 즐겁고 아이도 즐거워요. 그러면 뭐가 돼요? 이게 윈윈 전략이죠. 윈윈 서로 간에. 내가 오늘 화가 나면 애가 하는 행동이 다 뭐처럼 보이냐면 나를 약 올리고 나를 일부러 저렇게 행동하는 것처럼 보여요.
응, 빠빠이 그래. 응, 데리 가라. 응. 꺼졌어 너. 응? Chodź z tym.
내 방에서는 아무거나